Hey guys, Serge from Discovering Destinations here from Lisbon, Portugal. Today we're planning a visit to Belém. Lisbon to Belém takes roughly 45 minutes, and we recommend that you take the public transport, ideally with the Lisbon Transit Pass. Check out our other video for more information on the Lisbon Transit Pass. And now, stay tuned as we show you 4 spots you must visit in Belém, plus a surprise discovery. One place we recommend to visit when in Belém is the Jeronimo Monastery, which sincerely is one of the nicest places we've visited in all of Europe. The construction began in the 1500s, and now the monastery is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The monastery has 3 sections to visit: an archaeology museum, the monastery itself, and a church. Both the museum and the monastery are paid. However, it's free to visit the church, which is why there's a huge lineup outside. We recommend to visit the monastery because you can also see the church from within. You'll enjoy a thorough visit on both levels, and be sure to explore every nook and cranny. It was around noon when we finished discovering the monastery. We had lunch at a restaurant called Pão Pão Queijo Queijo. Then we walked over to the Belém factory for dessert. You have the option to grab a table, or if you eagerly want to get back to discovering, you can take your desserts to go. This is an equally famous place to the pastel de nata from Lisbon. We heard the Belém factory makes the same famous dessert, but with a subtle difference. So we're here to see for ourselves. After lunch, we made our way across the highway to the Padrão dos Descobrimentos. It's a monument honoring Portugal's various discoveries many years ago, Africa and Brazil to name a few destinations. Seriously, what an amazing view on a sunny day. We could see the Golden Gate Bridge look-alike, the boats floating on the River Tagus, and of course the work of art monument, which you can visit for a fee. Next is the Belém Tower. You cannot skip the tower. It's possible to walk, bike, scoot, or even take a tuk-tuk from the monument to the tower. We desperately wanted to visit inside, but were discouraged with the huge lineup once we got there. So we recommend that you visit a little bit earlier, or if possible, get your guide. Given the circumstance, we did the next best thing. I admired the view, while Ellie took the opportunity to walk barefoot on the sandy beach. If you're a photographer or would like to get a great shot of the tower, you should start your day here for better lighting and obviously for shorter lineups. Lucky for those of you who are still tuned in at this time, this is a place called the Alex Factory, located between Lisbon and Belém. We heard a lot about it, so on our way back from Lisbon, we planned a little pit stop. Turns out it's like a small village with restaurants, funky shops, and even a dorm. We arrived just in time for happy hour. Actually, if you can, try to visit the Rio Maravilha, which is a terrace on the 4th floor, offering spectacular views of the River Tagus. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching our Belém day trip video. Feel free to check in the Belém day trip blog for more detailed information. Please feel free to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more interesting stuff in the works. Catch you next time.